Alright, well I'm rewiring the RV 50 amp cord, put the new end on. Nice and neat. These each one of these terminals pulls out to the back, makes it easy to put the wire on each one. If you follow the directions, Camco provides pretty good directions. If you'll cut those wires to the lengths it shows, it turns out pretty nice. It fit right in there. It's a little bit of room, not a whole lot. Now I'm gonna put the cover on and put the strain relief clamp on it, and then I think I'm gonna have to find a new socket because I believe that one got too hot. It's a little hot down there on the neutral. The rest of it looks okay. It melted a little. Anyway, just another adventure in the camping life. Keep watching, and thanks for tuning in.